If we can look now at price predictions, everyone loves a price prediction, and I know you may not give me any exact facts or figures, but if I could perhaps list some investments, and if you can give me a few words, maybe 1, 2, 3 that pop in your head, perhaps starting with precious metals. So if I say gold, what comes into your mind there?
Wait.
Wait. How about silver?
Wait.
Copper?
Wait.
Okay, you're going to have to tell me how much longer I'm going to have to wait to buy into each three of those.
If gold goes under 1,000, I mean, if it goes to 900, I hope I'm smart enough to buy a lot of gold. I own gold. Some of my gold is hedged, but I'm waiting for an opportunity, another great opportunity to buy gold.
Certainly. Now, oil has seen some dramatic falls this year.
Well, you had the big collapse, which was artificial, induced by politics from Washington. Had the dead cat bounce. Now you're having the test of the bottom, the test of the lows. This is what always happens in markets. We're making a low. Maybe it's a complicated low, and if the world collapses in the next few months, it may go to 20. But that's the absolute bottom. Buy all you can.
Okay, now for my Australian friends, iron ore.
No, not with my money.
Not
you know
with
what
yours.
happened was all the iron ore companies, not just in Australia, they all went nuts and expanded like crazy. And so it's going to take a long time for iron ore to come back.
Well, that's not good news for back home. But how about the USD?
Well, I own the U.S. dollar as my largest currency position because I expect more turmoil. And when the turmoil comes, people rush into a safe haven. They think the U.S. dollar is a safe haven. It's not. So we're the largest debtor nation in the history of the world, and the debts are going higher. But people think it's a safe haven. They're not going to buy the Australian dollar or the yen or the euro. They're going to buy U.S. dollars.
They were going to be my next two, the euro.
No, I'm
Your
not buying
thoughts
the
there?
euro. The euro's a perfect. We need the euro. We need something like the euro to compete with the U.S. dollar, but it's been badly executed.
And the yuan as well.
Well, that's my second largest currency on the long side, the Chinese renminbi. You can't just pick up the phone and buy a lot of renminbi, although it's getting more and more open every month, every quarter. So it's happening, and if it becomes completely convertible, which they say it will, I hope I own a lot.
Okay, now, Mr. Rogers, we are at the New York Stock Exchange, so I know you're not going to answer any specific questions about stocks, but if you could tell me what sectors are looking appealing to you?
Agriculture, Russia, China, if it collapses, that's enough.
Okay, and look, we are on Wall Street. We're surrounded by a lot of money here, a lot of hedge funds. But if I had just $100 in my pocket now, and I didn't want to lose that money and make sure that it didn't go any lower, where would you suggest I put my $100?
You should go to the beach.
To the beach and enjoy it.
I say just put it in your pocket, go to the beach and wait. I'm waiting for the most part. I'm really not investing right now. I'm waiting. I told you there are going to be some more things coming out of interest rates, out of Washington and central banks. We're going to have a rally somewhere along the line. If I get before the rally, I might buy some more, but I'm waiting to see how it evolves. And on that rally, I hope I'm smart enough to sell and to sell short.
Well, I think you're always smart enough for us. So, Mr. Rogers from ModernWallStreet.com here at the New York Stock Exchange, thank you so much for joining us and already looking forward to next time.
I'm delighted to see you, and I'm glad you're in the U.S.